What the fuck? Milton! Oh my God! Daddy! Run!
What?
Oh no, you see!
Man, what you pushing? Well, what the hell wrong with you, man?
What's up, SRT gang? We back again today with another video. From the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what it's gonna be. So today my fiance will be pranking my father.
Once again.
Yeah, since y'all love him so much. But we're gonna do the coughing up blood prank, or he's gonna do the coughing up blood prank on my father today. And we do have the bottle of blood, and instead of taking this big old thing so he won't know, I found a little old pill bottle around the house. We're gonna pour just a little bit in there. We're gonna pour just a little, well, just enough in there for, you know, him to put it in his mouth and make it like he's coughing up blood and around his mouth as well.
And his birthday was the other day.
Yes.
So
he have a surprise birthday dinner today.
Gotta prank him. It's only right.
And of course, y'all already know, if you haven't subscribed already, go and smash the subscribe button. Also, smash the post notification so you'll be notified every time we post a video, which is twice a week, Mondays and Fridays. And guys, the little T to the SRT family wants to say hi. Tell them hi. Look at the camera. Say hi.
Say hey.
She want to be a big baby, guys. But that's our video for today. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video.
There you go. That's good enough.
So as y'all can see, he's opening it now.
Good.
Freshly opened.
I don't know how much I'm gonna need, so we just go.
And he's pouring it into the
It should be enough.
little bottle. And as you can see, he filled it up pretty good.
There's the blood.
And it does actually look like, you know, blood. But that is our blood for today. Give it to her. Give it to her. High five.
Yes, hello, John. I'm sitting here with Mr. Richardson and Cameron Penny. So, you have some good news for us?
No, good.
Paperwork went through. It's nothing. 6 copies on tour. I feel so sorry for her and her mother.
Too. But Cameron's really good about handling his business.
I'm sorry to bother you, but I had to stop by and give Martha the insurance forms anyway, so I thought maybe you guys could use my dad's laptop. I just figured we might need something just open that way. Yeah. She was working on it.
Go, Raji. Go, Raji. Working mama. Working mama. Working mama. What the fuck? Milton! Milton! Oh my God! Daddy! Run!
What?
Oh no, you see!
Man, what you pushing? Well, what the hell wrong with you, man?
Call 911, girl!
Call the ambulance. Ron, you alright? Ron, Ron, you alright? Let's call 911.
Get it going! Oh my God!
Ron, you alright? Huh?
Daddy! What is going on?
I don't know. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. Get your eye. Ron, you alright? Let me get my shoes on. I'm taking the damn doctor.
Yeah, get. Oh, it's a lot too. Daddy! Right coming to see. Daddy, you don't got time to get no shoes. Come in this way. Daddy. Come on, Milton. You don't got time to get no shoes. Come on, please. Help me get him up. Oh my gosh.
Girl, you can't get over there. Turn right here. Turn right here. No, you can't. Oh my God. Daddy, come on. Where to that shit you ate? Run. You got us to suck. Run, baby. Baby.
I might have to call the ambulance. Call the ambulance.
Hey, girl. Baby. Daddy, you're not even saying nothing. Put that big light on.
Mike can't even move and shit.
Oh, Lord.
It's a prank. Look at his face expression. It's a prank.
I'm telling y'all.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Y'all gotta smash that like button, your boy. Yeah,
well, that concludes the video for today. And as y'all know, y'all already know our favorite quote. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, we'll take that thumbs down. But we know y'all loved it just like we love y'all. So hey, leave down in the comments what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see more of. Leave some requests. Also, y'all already know, like I said in the intro, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you go subscribe. Y'all will see that man more faithfully. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and smash the post notification button. Also, if you already on this SRT train, keep riding. And if you ain't, just hop on with us. SRT gang. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Tell them bye-bye, baby. Bye.